Hi everyone, let me demonstrate to you a connection tutorial for Apple CarPlay. Let's go back to the OEM's Bluetooth before connecting. Then connect to the Bluetooth of the mobile phone and turn on the Bluetooth music function. After returning, we enter Settings, Smartphone. The CarPlay function should be turned on here. We can long press the home page to view the Bluetooth name, or check the Bluetooth name in the Bluetooth settings. Can be found to open. At this time, we use the phone's Bluetooth. Search for this Bluetooth and click Pair. Now it's connected to CarPlay. The sound is transmitted through OEM Bluetooth. Okay, this is a connection tutorial for wireless CarPlay. Thank you.